Hi Go Anywhere gang, how's it going? It's been a while since I've talked to you on here. I've had a pretty busy spring and summer, which has been awesome. I've also been working at my restaurant job as well as a server, so I have just been busy with music stuff, and you know, it's life. We all are busy. I went to New York, I went to Canada, I went to Mexico, I went to Napa, California, and next week I'm leaving to Delaware. But before I go, I wanted to leave you with this travel tip. Go Anywhere gang, I want you to define your trip. Are you trying to go somewhere and see all the sights? Do you want to go somewhere where you're just relaxing and unwinding? What I would hate to happen to you is you go all the way across the world and fly somewhere like Paris, but really you've been working a ton at home and you're just exhausted and all you wanted to do was relax on a beach somewhere, but you ended up in a big city and now you're tired and you're just hanging out in the hotel room and not even going out to see Paris. You don't want to go somewhere and not actually see the place that you're in. I'm telling you this because every time Eric and I have gone on our adventures to Europe, we walk so many miles. We're walking all the time. Like, it's exhausting. It's awesome, but it's exhausting. And you're walking all the time and seeing all these beautiful sights. You only maybe have a few days in a certain place and you really want to soak it up and see as much as you can. So if you're looking to relax somewhere, I don't recommend going to a big city. You know what you really need and want. So make sure that you define that so you don't end up on the wrong trip. If you really want to see these iconic landmarks in different places, then go see that and be prepared to walk miles. Trust me, you're gonna walk miles and miles and miles. You can also just take a trip where you're just laying in a lounge chair and getting a tan and having a drink and then going to have dinner at night, you know? Like, that can also be an awesome relaxing vacation. So choose what is best for you because only you know that. I've never been to Delaware before. I'm gonna be driving from Nashville, so definitely check into this page because I'm going to be posting things, and also on Rihanna Estrada, my music page, I'll be posting things there as well since I'm going to play a festival. I cannot wait to bring more travel tips to you. They're coming, I promise.